Next morning, change the brushes, change the carbons, and same situation. I mean, the motor, it's starting for a split of a second like this. Then it turns off. You saw that? You know why? Because in here we have a temperature current sensor which automatically it's disconnecting the motor when it feels an unusual current, and that means we have a problem with the rotor. What I'm trying to do, I brought my Fluke meter here, which obviously it's a much better multimeter. Okay, the power is disconnected and I'll measure the rotor. Okay, ohms, 8.57 ohms. That should be a constant. 9, 8. I'm pretty sure one of the rotor it's in short. Let me have only the rotor. So 442. Okay, let's move this nice and slowly. No, it's good. You know something, it's kind of generating some voltage. Okay, let me disconnect so I don't have any other interference. This is just the rotor. 4.3. Okay, let's. You see, that doesn't look bad at all. I don't understand. I thought I have a shorted coil, but no, everything is fine. Okay, let's put back rotor. I can bypass the okay, so this is the sensor. You see, this one is getting hot and then it's turning off the motor. Let's see what's happening. Power on. Man, magic smoke, isn't that? Of course. You see that? Smoke. But why? Okay, let me improvise something. So power it's off. Oh, this is damn hot. Wow, it's really hot. I'll improvise a fuse. I have a piece of wire, a very thin piece of wire, just like this. I'm not sure how many amps can deliver. Okay, the power it's off. We have to be really careful because, you know, live power involved here. Okay, this is a kind of fuse, let's call it. And I'll bypass the current sensor, or how you call this, switch. I want to see what is happening. Okay, so there we have that little piece of wire acting like a fuse, and power on. Okay, it's still running. Still running. What the heck? It's not even hot. No way. Doesn't smell. You know, I believe the problem here is this guy, which supposedly should protect the motor. Okay, the power is off, don't worry. What can I do here? Let's put this back and try again. Maybe. Okay. The sensor, it's on, and let's go. Yeah, it's hot like crazy. You see, let me have a real fuse here and we'll do the rest. Okay people, so this is temperature relay or something like this. Here I found something about it. 3MP17593. Okay, so let's take a look what's inside there. I'm really curious. So what is this guy doing exactly? This is in series with the motor and it senses when an extra current it's running through it, because it's not related to the body temperature. You see, this guy is not connected to the motor sensing the motor coil or the motor itself temperature. No. So what we got here? Is this a diode something? What this can be? I believe it's just a kind of heat radiator, probably, because it's not related to any of the electrical contacts or something. Let me try to take this apart. Can I do that? I think so. There we go. And it's open. Okay people, exactly what I was thinking about. So we have a contact here with a kind of, this is very possible to be a kind of resistor, you see, and this one is getting hot under certain conditions. This is very possible to be the heating element. Let's see, do we have a resistance of some sort? So this is short, absolutely short. It gives me like 0.06 milliohms. Okay, I need to do that to be sure that we are calibrated. Yeah, of course we have like 10 milliohms. So this piece of wire here, it's like 10 milliohms. It's getting hot under a certain current, and inside here we have a, I don't think it's a B metal, it's more like a wobble piece of steel which turn up and down under certain temperature. You see the way it behaves. So now, after my opinion, here are different situation. Probably this one, it's decalibrated. In time it can lose properties, it can get thinner, and of course getting much more susceptible for heating under current. It can be. Also, maybe it needs a better temperature transfer. Who knows? Probably these parts can be found to suppliers. Okay, I just put it back to the original shape. Maybe I'll give a second try or a second chance sometime in the future. What should I try first? A better cooling, kind of, I don't know, aluminum or something for better temperature. But as you could see from the videos before, you could see smokes rising from this device. So I'm pretty sure it's that resistance or heating resistance involved in this situation. I don't have another kind of fuse, but I'll use a 10 amp automotive fuse, and I will just insert this in the circuit. This one goes out as the temperature. I even find a thinner support for the, okay, 10 amps, that should be more than enough. Okay, why? Because I can use this easier to experiment and to connect this. Okay, this is okay, let me have some isolating tape, and to be sure that everything is fine, I'm gonna insert a tube, a plastic tube like this. Perfect. Okay, this is done. Now I have to do the same with these guys here. Do I need some tube? Oh yeah, but probably, well, this is an experiment, so of course probably I'll do it better someday. But the most important thing for me now is to feel secure, just in case of motors short or something, so I'm not blowing the cables or look here, and that will be just fine. Let's test it. No problemos. Well, I'll take it outside and run it for 5 minutes or something. Let's see what's happening. Don't forget about the power. Always cut the power before doing anything. You see, it's raining. Really bad weather. Let this on and let it run. Let's see the temperature. 22 degrees, no problem. No smoke, anything. It's barely. It's warm, that's it. So, okay people, so the machine was running for 10 minutes. No problem with the temperature. It's barely warm here. No problem at all. No crazy smells, nothing. So it's looking like the problem is this little prick, and this is a current sensor somehow, and this helps the motor to be disconnected in case of how can I say, in case of extra load. So it keeps somehow the motor safe. Probably this one, it's decalibrated or out of characteristics, or I don't know what to say. Anyway, the motor is good, the motor is running, the brushes are okay. Still a lot of meat over there, I may say. It's not getting hot, it's not smelling burned, so why not? What I have done, you saw that before, 10 amps fuse here that keeps me safe in case the motor is burning or getting short or something. And that's it. I hope it will last another couple of years at least. You know, it's a good machine. Don't throw it away just for this little prick. Anyway, I'm gonna try to search online to see about this one and maybe replace it soon with another new part or something. But in the meantime, the fuse will do the job properly. I'm pretty sure about that. You see, that's it for today, and I hope it's useful. If you make this mod to your Bosch Rotak lawn mower, it's your responsibility. So if you burn your house, it's not on me. I just give you an idea. don't do it like me, but the machine is working, so I can use it. Huh? What do you think? Is it safe? I think it's safe. The fuse will blow as soon as anything wrong happened with the motor. And something else, it saves some money. This is important too. Okay, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push the like button, and thanks to my sponsors, of course, Chuck, Vlad, and Radu. Until the next one, don't forget, have fun. See you. Bye bye.